Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best outdoor security camera system you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best outdoor security camera, I have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Hiseeu H.VIEW wireless CCTV system. Brand name, Hiseeu. Hiseeu 1080p true wireless battery IP camera. 3MP wireless audio camera system. AL humanoid detection. 8-channel NVR, support up to 8 cameras. Wireless Wi-Fi LAN cable connection between NVR and IP cameras. Metal shell housing waterproof IP camera, can be used for indoor-outdoor. Plug and play, remotely view by Android and iOS system, smartphone, pad, tablet, PC. 3 meters long power adapter for every camera. IR cut array LED lights, up to 30 m night vision distance. Motion detection, instant email alert. NVR upgrades to H.265 plus encode, save your HDD storage space. Support multi-languages, English, Russian, French, Korean, Spanish, etc. Auto pairing wireless connections between the cameras and NVR, free from complex cables. ANRAN 5 megapixel CCTV system. Brand name, ANRAN. Stunning 5 megapixel Super HD resolution. NVR features. 480ch 5 megapixel wireless NVR. NVR built-in Wi-Fi router, bandwidth friendly. Support video preview recording playback, USB backup. Support Android, iOS, PAT, PC remote view. Networking protocol, UPnP, SMTP, PPPoE, DHCP, etc. Get instant email alerts when motion is detected. 1 SATA port up to 4 TB each, 1 USB 2.0 port. Power supply, DC 12V. Camera features. Image sensor, 1 2.8-inch progressive scan sensor. Resolution, 2560 1920. Lens, the default 3.6 mm. Auto white balance and 3D DNR. Night vision, 36 IR LEDs 100 feet 30 meters. Minimum illumination, color 0.1 lux, BW 0.01 lux. Weatherproof, yes, IP66. H.VIEW HCH 1080p video surveillance kit. Brand name, View high definition 1080p HD camera, ensure you can get the true color image from the surveillance spot. Cold start feature, sub-zero cold start feature can turn on this camera, even it been powered off a long periods in climates down to -40 degrees centigrade. The smart IR cut filter switches automatically between day and night to reduce color cast in daytime and enhance image brightness at night, making sure you can get vivid surveillance footage from dawn to dark. IP66 waterproof security camera, waterproof design, more durable and service life. Suitable for indoor-outdoor usage. 5-in-1 high-performance hybrid DVR, support 5 kinds of different cameras, analog camera, AHD camera, CVI camera, TVI camera, IP camera. This provides a flexible combination options. Intelligent motion detection and email alert. When movement is detected in monitoring area, instant email will be sent to your mailbox and phone automatically. Get everything informed even you're away from home. Video with smart playback, H.VIEW HD DVR effectively economize your time in playing back the video. Incident video clips can be found and made in no time with smart playback function. Zoohi HD outdoor camera system. Brand name, Zoohi. 1080p security camera DVR kit CCTV waterproof home video surveillance system. Enjoy stunning picture and video, This is an easy-to-install 1080p high-definition video surveillance system which are ideal for home and business security. Equipped with 24 IR LEDs, the camera provides clear 100 feet, 30 meters, night vision with uniform luminance, low power consumption and longer service life. Motion detection and email alert, can set multi-zone for motion detection. We introduced intelligent motion detection technology, and build the most reliable security system for your home business. Alarm message will be sent to you once it happens. IP66 professional security surveillance camera for outdoor-indoor use. Operating conditions, -30 C 60 C, humidity 95% or less. G.Craftsman 5-megapixel Pocket H.265 system. Brand name, G.Craftsman. The smart IR cut filter switches automatically between day and night to reduce color cast in daytime and enhance image brightness at night. It makes sure that you can get vivid surveillance footage from dawn to dark. This system detects moving objects and trigger alerts when dangers occur. It will inform you in real time when invasion happens. Intelligent detection function. The intelligent detection function can be used only when you connect G.Craftsman cameras. Supports IPC front-end intelligence, target count, object left lost, area detection and line crossing. Remote viewing, anytime, anywhere, no matter where you are, you can remotely access the security camera to see live streaming and stay connected. 24/7 continuous recording. Full day record so you won't miss anything. The video quality and capacity required, H.265 5.0 megapixel, 25601920p, IPC, 40 GB day, 4 PCS IPC require 160 GB day. The NVR has motion detection function.